cash, huh?
Message.
It's lit.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Loco, back in the frozen tundra on 1KC, back at that 90 Caprice. Nothing really changed, but I just came for the radio, you know what I mean? Just in case I do go with that stock look, I'm gonna grab that radio. Mirrors decent. Window visors are good. They're decent. Trying to see what else I missed. The hood, for y'all looking at the hood, I mean, it's surface rust. I don't know if it's rusted through. It looks rough though. Fender looks decent. The motor actually looks pretty good. The intake looks pretty good. No bumper fillers. This bumper's good, minus the bumper guard, the rubber trim. Missing that lens. That one's good. Mirrors. Yo, last weekend it was 68 last Sunday. Now it's totally ice. Only reason I came out here is I want that radio. I need to get a motor out of that Delta window motor. And then a subscriber wanted me to look at the Torino. He down in Texas. He wants some parts off it. He wants me to take a look. He'll drive down and get it. So that's the main reason I came out here. It's kind of late. It's almost like 3 o'clock. I wasn't gonna come. But anyway, let me start on this radio. What's up, YouTube? So I'm back at that 88. And I tried to take the motor. I had to punch out the rivets, drill a hole, drill the rivets out in several places. But this motor is a lot older than the other one. And I already tested it. And it doesn't work. So I should have tested it first, but I just looked at it and I knew the thing wasn't going to work. Anyway, just an update. That's the radio I took. I didn't need that part over here. So I'm just take the face with the radio, just in case I don't have this piece. And I can cut this out for like a stereo or something, or a gauge. Anyway, just boy Loco. So like I said, I came out here because a subscriber hit me up, asked me about that Torino. And I think it's gone. I want to say it was right in that row right there. But I'm gonna keep looking. It might be the next row over, but I'm pretty sure it was this row. But I also don't see the Roadmaster. So I do see something else though, but yeah. Pretty sure the Gran Torino is gone. probably crushed it. Hopefully someone saved it. It's visual thinking, but hopefully someone seen my video and bought it. What's this? It's a Lincoln. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it was there in one of these rows. They cleaned it out. My Roadmaster's gone. Like I always say, once you see it, you better take it. Luckily, I really didn't need the that tank. It was easy to get to though. But there will be another one. Catloco. Man, I was about to give up on the yard. It's getting late. I think they're gonna close soon. So I was walking, and as always the cars I see last. I found this Panoramic G6 05 GT. With the leather seats. This is the trim I broke on my seat. On the driver's side, I need to switch out. With the roof. Oh, why, Lord, why? So we may be taking this today. I don't know if I have enough time, but we may give it a shot. But yeah, it was just sitting there just like the Delta 88 fucking G6 roof. Let me see if I can test this real quick. Alright guys, we got the important part. Only had like 30 minutes to get this thing out. So I got the glass and I picked up the radio. I didn't have time to cut out the bracket, so you just gotta do without the bracket for now. And I can always get another one, like the headliner and the bracket from another yard. But I'm tired, it's late, they're about to close. This is your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.